Every day, humans consume over 3 billion eggs, making them one of the world's most popular sources of protein. But have you ever stopped to wonder where this staggering number of eggs comes from? The journey from hen to carton is a marvel of modern engineering, a highly automated process designed for incredible efficiency and scale. Today, we were going inside one of the largest egg production facilities to see exactly how they harvest millions of chicken eggs with a symphony of robots and conveyor belts. This is how it works. The process begins long before the first egg is laid. Inside these vast, climate-controlled barns, hundreds of thousands of hens are housed in a multi-tiered aviary system. This modern setup is a significant evolution from traditional cages, designed to give the birds more freedom to exhibit natural behaviors. They can move between different levels to eat, drink, perch, and socialize. Lighting within the barns is meticulously controlled, simulating a natural day and night cycle to encourage consistent laying patterns. The temperature and ventilation are also constantly monitored and adjusted by a central computer system, ensuring the hens are comfortable and healthy, which is paramount for high-quality egg production. This controlled environment minimizes stress and maximizes the hens' well-being, creating the perfect conditions for them to do what they do best. Hens naturally prefer to lay their eggs in a dark, private, and secure space. The aviary system is engineered with this instinct in mind. Each tier is equipped with designated nesting areas, which are essentially secluded boxes lined with soft turf mats. These mats provide a comfortable surface and are slightly angled. When a hen lays an egg, this gentle slope causes it to roll away from the nest and onto a collection belt located just behind the nesting area. This simple yet ingenious design serves two critical purposes. First, it keeps the eggs clean and separate from the hens, preventing them from being pecked, stepped on, or contaminated. Second, it immediately starts the egg on its automated journey through the factory, ensuring it is collected swiftly and safely without any human intervention at this stage. Once on the collection belt, the eggs begin their slow but steady trip out of the barn. These soft, fabric-like belts run the entire length of each tier of the aviary system, moving at a very gentle pace to prevent any collisions or cracks. As the belts from different tiers and rows converge, they feed onto a larger main conveyor system. This central artery of the factory, known as an egg elevator or cross conveyor, gathers eggs from multiple barns, which can house over 1 million birds in total. This network of belts is a spectacle of automation, seamlessly transporting a continuous river of hundreds of thousands of eggs from the laying houses directly to the processing plant, sometimes over distances of several hundred feet. The entire system is designed to handle the fragile cargo with extreme care, a critical first step in maintaining the integrity of the final product. As the eggs arrive at the processing plant, they are gently transferred from the main conveyor onto a single-file accumulator. This machine is a critical transition point, organizing the steady stream of eggs into neat, orderly rows. Using a system of dividers and carefully timed guides, the accumulator lines them up, preparing them for their journey through the various stages of inspection and grading. It's like a traffic controller for eggs, ensuring there are no jams, and that each egg is properly spaced for the high-speed equipment that follows. This step is essential for the efficiency of the entire line. Without this precise organization, the advanced sorting and packing machines wouldn't be able to function correctly. From this point on, the eggs are on a fast track to their final packaging. Before any further processing, the eggs pass through a washing station. They are gently sprayed with warm, sanitized water, precisely heated to a temperature slightly warmer than the egg itself. This temperature difference creates positive pressure inside the egg, preventing the water and any bacteria from being drawn in through the shell's pores. Soft, rotating brushes then carefully scrub the shells, removing any dirt or contaminants that may have been picked up along the way. After the wash, the eggs are thoroughly rinsed with a sanitizing solution and then dried by a blast of warm air. This entire cleaning process is vital for food safety, ensuring that every egg meets strict hygiene standards before it continues down the line. It's a quick but crucial spa treatment that prepares the eggs for close inspection. With the eggs now clean and dry, they move into the candling booth. This is a darkened area where a powerful light is shown up from beneath the conveyor belt, illuminating the interior of each egg. In the past, this was done by hand with a candle, hence the name. Today, it's a high-tech process. As the eggs pass over the light, highly sensitive cameras and advanced imaging software scan each one, looking for internal defects. The system can instantly detect imperfections like blood spots, multiple yolks, or hairline cracks in the shell that are invisible to the naked eye. An acoustic sensor may also gently tap each egg, listening for the specific frequency that indicates a crack. Any egg that fails this rigorous internal and external inspection is automatically identified and removed from the line by a gentle puff of air or a robotic arm, ensuring only the highest quality eggs proceed. After passing the candling inspection, the eggs are weighed. As they continue along the conveyor, each egg rolls over an individual electronic scale. These scales are incredibly precise, capturing the weight of each egg in a fraction of a second. This weight data is instantly sent to the system's central computer, which then assigns a grade to the egg based on standardized size categories: small, medium, large, extra large, or jumbo. This sorting is crucial because eggs are sold by size, and consistency within a carton is a key aspect of consumer expectation. The weighing process is completely automated and happens at lightning speed, with the system capable of weighing and categorizing tens of thousands of eggs per hour with pinpoint accuracy. The grade of each egg is now logged, and it knows exactly where it needs to go next. Now that each egg has been cleaned, inspected, and graded by size, it's time for the final sorting. The conveyor system carries the eggs towards a series of packing lanes, each designated for a specific size. Based on the weight data captured just moments before, the central computer directs each individual egg to its correct destination. As an egg approaches the appropriate lane, a robotic diverter, often a gentle plastic finger or a puff of air, nudges it off the main conveyor and into the correct channel. Large eggs go to the large lane, jumbos to the jumbo lane, and so on. This intricate dance of automated sorting ensures that each packing station receives a uniform stream of eggs, all of the same size, ready to be placed into cartons. The final step in this automated journey is packing. The sorted eggs arrive at the packing stations, where robotic arms equipped with specialized suction cup grippers take over. These packers are a marvel of speed and precision. A robotic head descends, picking up an entire dozen eggs at once, and gently places them into an open carton, waiting below. The suction cups are designed to handle the eggs with a delicate touch, preventing any damage. The machine automatically places empty cartons onto the line, fills them with the correctly sized eggs, and then closes the carton lid. Some systems even print the best before date and traceability codes directly onto the carton or the eggshell itself. In a matter of seconds, a dozen eggs are securely packed and ready for shipping. The filled and sealed cartons are then transported by another conveyor belt to the final stage of the process, palletizing. Here, a large robotic arm systematically picks up the cartons and stacks them onto a pallet in a predetermined pattern. This pattern is designed for stability, ensuring the cartons won't shift or crush each other during transport. The robot can handle multiple cases at once, building a full pallet layer by layer, with unceasing precision and strength. Once a pallet is complete, it is often automatically wrapped in plastic film for extra security. These wrapped pallets are then moved by forklift into a massive refrigerated warehouse, where they are stored at a constant cool temperature. They wait here, ready to be loaded onto trucks and distributed to grocery stores, supermarkets, and restaurants. From the moment an egg is laid in its quiet nesting box, it is whisked away on an incredible journey. It travels along miles of conveyor belts, is washed, inspected by cameras, weighed by electronic scales, and sorted by intelligent machines. Robots pack it into a carton and stack it onto a pallet, all with minimal human touch. This intricate fusion of biology and technology allows producers to supply the world with billions of fresh, safe, and affordable eggs every single day. The next time you crack an egg into a frying pan, you'll know it's the end product of a remarkable high-speed system of automated efficiency. That is how it works.